Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Ford Mustang Dark Horse. This particular casting, as you can see, is by Hot Wheels and it's a new casting. So let's open it up and see how does it look. While I open the casting, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. So here it is, the new Mustang Dark Horse out of its packaging. First thing you will notice is this paint. It's a matte blue, looks really good and kind of suits the car. I've seen one in gray, like in real life. Haven't seen the blue yet though. But let's start from the front. So up front, nicely detailed headlamps, grille, and Dark Horse has got this dark circles, I would say, kind of like dark circles under your eyes. So it has got that. So a black front. Again, Hot Wheels had nicely captured it. You can also see the lip spoiler here. Scoop in the hood. Again, the black blue theme continues. Looks nice though. You could put the rear view mirrors. Coming to the driver side, again you can see wide running board, I would say, wider than the actual car, like the normal GT. Wheels, black, looks good. I think they used the same design on the GTD too, like GTD on the Hot Wheels one, but they were golden. The black hair suits really well. Moving to the back, oh, I missed the fuel filler cap here. Now moving to the back, you can see a spoiler. Again, it's a bigger spoiler than the GT, but smaller than the GTD. And surprisingly, Hot Wheels have detailed tail lamps too here. Detailed tail lamps. You got the Dark Horse badge. You got the number plate with Dark Horse, and the quad exhaust with a really, detailed bumper. It's a very different bumper. Don't really see normally on the cars. Coming to the passenger side, it's almost identical. The only difference being the fuel filler cap. Let's look at from the top. Got the shark fin antenna here. Again, the black theme continues. It's very different. It's the side on the sides. The stripes on the sides are like matte black, but the center one is the normal black. So the interior seems to be finished in black. Can't see much. It's slightly tinted, and the wheel arches seem to be slightly, wider than the actual car. Might be because Dark Horse is like, performance variant based on the GT, I would say. So overall, it's a nice casting. I like it, and I like how a Mainline has so much detail in Hot Wheels. You don't see that from Hot Wheels. They will either miss the tail lamp or the headlamp, or miss other details. But this one is really good. And since you have seen it till now I'm going to show you all three different Mustang of this new generation, which has came out with Matchbox and Hot Wheels. Just wait. So you have got these three Mustang. This one is a GT, so a V8, normal V8 you get. This one is a Dark Horse, so more powerful than the GT. This one is a GTD, completely track focused. These two are from Hot Wheels Mainline, and this one is a Matchbox moving part. So you can see the differences here too. Smaller spoiler, bigger spoiler, huge spoiler. Slightly wider than this one, and then it's like completely wide body. Yeah, so these are the three new Mustang. I have video for each one of them. Hope you like them. Thank you for watching.